Going on, family? It's Friday. Market's almost closing. I wanted to hop on here to, kind of a recap this week's movements. I didn't get on the 4th of July, which was Tuesday. My normal slot there. I really just forgot. Forgot it was Tuesday. But I want to kind of talk about a few things that we were kind of anticipating leading into this new month, starting the 6 month, and us trading the 6 month candle. Of course, I was bearish on the dollar, and it looks like after this first week, that bearish sentiment looks to be holding up. I was also bearish on the JPYs, and really, the JPYs for me, are the crown jewel, of what I was trying to catch, right? The move that I was trying to catch. I'm looking for, 700, 800 pip move, maybe. This right here, this 2-week debate, pulling back to this order block, is about 500 pips. I think GJ has the most pips available to it. If you would catch the GJ move, you could have caught 800, possibly 1,300 pips down to this level. I really think that these moves are the ones that we as traders need to be honing in for. And if you haven't gotten a chance to look, go ahead and look at your charts. We had a daily bearish order block on July 6th. Then today we had a significant move down. We closed below the moving average. All we have to do is wait for the buy up, next week, and then it'll start selling off. These are the opportunities that you lie in wait for, right? These will pay big dividends, and there are a lot of pips available to us, as a group, and us as individuals. UJ, it's another fan favorite. It's going to go the way of the dollar. It's selling. I published a trade idea a few months ago. It came right into my zone here, and it started selling. I do expect to have a quite significant sell-off. And on the flip side of that, if you want to go look at the gold trade, you got the sell down here. And if you look at this on the daily chart, price came down, it pushed up, it broke structure, broke these highs, pulled back, you're 70, 78%, and now it's going to push higher. This is a daily chart, guys. Wait for the pullback, buy it up, target these highs, target this imbalance. We should have a pretty significant move for gold. If we want to go a little bit further out, if you fib this move from here, we broke these highs, we pulled back. If you look at where this fib is, this move, this pullback is a 61, a little bit over 61% pullback. We're just getting started. So if this goes to the negative 27, we're well over 2,100. Guys, here we go. It's not too late. You didn't miss any moves. We're very early in our move. This is a confirmation move on a daily chart. So it's trigger pulling time for these moves. These will be long-term plays. Use your 0.01s, use your smaller lot sizes, scale in. walking into this trade opportunity. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the call. Hopefully you guys are learning, as you go, catching these moves. This is how we can take advantage of these higher time frame plays. I also posted a chart. We can just look at it for GA. Higher time frame move. You can see the daily wick. You wick these highs. Price came back. It's going to close below. This is also a wick on the weekly. Same sort of deal. This is relative equal highs dating back to January 2022. Guys, we're about to get paid. You're about to get paid. If you look at the 6-month chart for GA, we expected this play from the 6-month. This is a 6-month candle. We expect for a price to pull back to the golden zone of this 6-month candle. I get it, man. A lot of people probably didn't really believe, but just watch. Just watch. Things are rolling over. This is the top of the candle. All right, it pushed up first, create that top wick before the candle settles down. So there'll be plenty of opportunity to get into this trade next week, make that money. I wish you guys the best. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't feel like you're not getting it. It takes a little time, but I believe we have a winner here. So take care, guys. See you tomorrow, and I'm out of here.